Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making delicious peanut butter and jelly cupcakes. It's going to be a peanut butter and jelly sandwich in a cupcake form, so that pretty much makes it lunch, right? I think it works that way. I'll go ahead and throw a link to the recipe on my blog down below. It'll be right underneath that KitchenAid Stand Mixer giveaway link, so you should probably go ahead and click that too. Why not, right? So go ahead, preheat your oven to 350 degrees and let's get started on some delicious, perfect peanut butter jelly cupcakes. So our first step is to grab all of our dry ingredients into a mixing bowl and whisk them all together. So in our mixing bowl, we're going to start by adding in our flour and our baking powder. And then we're just going to go ahead and give that a quick little whisk. And once those dry ingredients are whisked together, you can go ahead and scoot those to the side. Grab another mixing bowl, and to that we're going to add in our butter and our white sugar. Then with our hand mixer on a high speed, we're going to beat the butter and sugar until they're both combined, light and fluffy. Then we're going to follow that by adding in our peanut butter. And our vanilla. Then back in with our hand mixer on a medium speed and gradually combine that peanut butter with our butter and our sugar mixture. Now let's go ahead and add in our eggs one at a time. So we're going to do one egg, mix it in, and our last egg, and mix it in. Now we're going to alternate by adding in our flour mixture and our milk mixture, starting and ending with our flour, being sure to beat in on a low speed with our hand mixer until everything is fully worked in and we have a nice, smooth peanut butter cupcake batter. Sprinkle in our flour, add our milk, and mix it in. A little more flour, a little more milk, mix it in. And our last third of flour, and then just mix it in. And once you have your delicious, smooth peanut butter cupcake batter, we're going to go ahead and start loading this into our lined cupcake pan. And you want to fill each cupcake liner about 2/3 of the way full. Now let's go ahead, toss our cupcake pan into our oven and let bake for a good 18 to 20 minutes or until our cake tester comes out clean. So our cupcakes have baked. They smell like peanut butter, yummy deliciousness. They have a nice golden peanut butter color. Now it's time to stuff and decorate. So let's go ahead and fill each cupcake with our grape jelly, or strawberry, or cherry, or peach, or mango, whatever your favorite jelly is, you go ahead and you stuff that right into that cupcake. And lastly, we're going to top it off with some delicious grape jelly frosting. I'll be sure to throw a link to that recipe down below also. And once you swirl on your last cupcake with this delicious grape jelly frosting, you will have your perfect peanut butter and jelly cupcakes. Like I said, it's basically lunch. That's all I have for you today. If you like today's recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Helps me out, lets me know I'm baking things that you all want to see and you all want to try. And if you try and make your own delicious peanut butter and jelly cupcakes, definitely give a tag on Instagram and let me see what you're doing in your kitchen. And while you're down there, give this video a thumbs up. be sure to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any yummy, delicious recipes. And I'm gonna go ahead now and have a delicious peanut butter and jelly cupcake, a nice cup of coffee, because it's lunchtime, and like I said, this is pretty much lunch. And oh, don't forget, click that link to the KitchenAid stand mixer giveaway. It'll take you to my blog, give you all the information you need and how to enter. And now I'm gonna go have a cupcake, grab a cup of coffee, enjoy the day. I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.